Sosha, angiyena umuntu o-responda kulezi zinto because I found out ukuthi la ku-TikTok there is a lot of angazi noma kuzathi self-glory seeking spirit, and umuntu onjengami mina owabizwa kuye kube baningi abantu befuna attention la befuna ngicommente besho izinto ngami, even uMax Makhanya wangibiza ngesidakwa wathi nginobuse ngathi ngiphuza ugoloko. There's many people have said things here and I've ignored those things. Why? Because azolisiza ibandla la uNkulunkulu to grow. Mina bizwa uNkulunkulu ngangekho mina ku Facebook even until my videos are trend. I've been preaching for 25 years and I didn't respond because I don't get offended. I know his spirits are the generation. The generation is a generation, little Bible, they're self-seekers. But to dwell TV, nama social media, and even abantu who don't have a ministry, people who don't have a revelation, they speak. So degrade ama umuntu obiziwe uresponda kulezi zinto zabo because they're all talking. iBhayibheli baba bahlambalazayo. So I avoid speaking to this thing, but on this one I said angirespond. Why angirespond is because if there is one episode in my life where I sacrificed everything, a skills of debater, and honestly spoke to a youth or to somebody ufuna ukwazi ama methods ngokushada nalezo zinto, it is this past episode ebengibizwe kuyona. It clearly shows me anyone who can select a sentence out of yonke le nto engisho lapha so wise ambo zenza mhle in a certain group of people, that person is dishonest. Zonke engikhulume lapha positive things about treating women, about handling umshado, and umuntu azothatha one phrase ngoba ngifuna appear as a feminist. We're living in that time. Mangakutshengisa pedigree that I practically lived in respecting women. Abaningi benu wa feminist, abaningi benu ukowarang wearing heels on these days lapho respect insuku zabantu besifazane mama GPV, whatever those days, will be ashamed. The reason I stood so long in the ministry is because I respected women. We are confused by my outbursts and by my ruthless against isono sobufebe. There is no preacher I know who has stood in respect of a female like I've done. In my 25 years of preaching the gospel, I've never slept with not even one woman out of wedlock. More than 15, sometimes more than 10, sometimes I never slept not even one of them. I never disrespected one of them. I spent at least 500,000 that I can remember. I get like my debts. The charity organization I have, has only educated women. Bye today. I've never spoken a dirty language to them. And there comes somebody, only a statement, as a paraphrase. Maybe it's a lack of education, I don't know. Paraphrase. Lapho uzama ukuveza a topic, ufuna ukuveza something, ushinta isaka. Ayithathe lento azoyiframe ukuze abooste uTikTok yakhe or anything asebenzise igama lakho akuveze as if you're anti-women, you are a human hater or something. Be careful, guys, of social media and TikTok's opportunities and like seekers and all these things. People are not genuine in these things. People they have an opportunity of attacking abantu engathi ba public figure or abantu abama famous spockets but attack inkulumo zabo nama politicians but created these platforms. Mount you go to the ground root. You see what he has done. What has he done for women? You'll find that he cannot even contribute 10% to me. Let's not insult people because of what they said. Let's insult them because of their value, because of their absence in the human development. I've been there for women. I've been there for single, for hamba zonke indawo ngibeka kuzona itende bekufika mina abamama abazelele emakhaya abazele ingane abahlala kwizindlu zahulumeni behlala ngane eziwu-15. I supported them physically. I paid money. I took ingane zabo ezidonsela ngaphandle ngihambe ngiyozikhulumela emajele zizohlala kwami. And you come in TikTok and make somebody like me a hater of women. Uzuzokhuluma isitatement sokuthi insizwa zangakini zingalwa. People who know me can kill you if they can hear ushintshe. I went to communities ngithatha ingane mina ngizifundise i-driving ngizamise kumalokhuzana. I lived for people. Nabantu are qualified today because of me. There are people ababengadli ema-technicon. I fed them. You are talking to a wrong guy. Don't bite more than you can chew. Nabantu abangakushaya bakushayela ukuthi watheka usikakana. You don't know who you're talking about. Nama academics because of me. So please, man, nifuna ukutrenda like TikTok. Nifuna ukuba important like TikTok. Nifuna ukuvela ni important to other people like TikTok. Nidagwa ilento yama likes and nine. I'm not that kind of a person. The only thing I responded to this person was ngibone my groups. I've got many groups of people. There's a name, my name in this thing. We are backing to a wrong tree. Backing to a wrong tree. Ekumfundisa nothanda engimaziyo like me. Ayikho umuntu engimaziyo was ever lived and respected umzimba umuntu wesifazane like me. I had opportunities, women jumping in my residence, jumping in my flat, being naked, wanting to sleep with me. Number of times. And I refused. Because I respect a human body. Don't judge me by a statement. Ongasazi. Ukuthi bengiqonda ukuyaphi. Indlela okukhuluma just amaZulu thina sinendlela okubeka izinto. Siyibekela ukuthi zakhe ihaba. Zizwakale because asifani njengezizwe. Mina my mother is a Xhosa, baba muzomzulu. Ngine technique uma ngikhuluma namaXhosa ngiyazi ufuna ukuyifreeze kanje into ukuzizwa amaXhosa. AmaZulu ngiyawazi ukuthi ufuna ukuyifreeze kanje. Hayi ukuthi ngisuke ngisho leyo nto. I-phrase to catch attention and it always does work. Uzibuza ukuthi why have I lasted for 25 years? No one is taking me to court. This was why I've lasted for 25 years. No one ongqashela inkabi. Abantu beqala like kulama paper dumile, one person wanted to take me to a paper. Watshelwa abantu ukuthi this guy has helped people. I'm a patriot. I'm the son of the soil. I respect women. I will linger in all of the things force accuse me with that. I had chances to sleep with young girls. I respect her like God, who could have kept quiet for life. I refused because I respect women. Don't judge me because of a phrase. Get to know me. Come talk to me. Have a tea with me if you want to know me. You might learn many things. So ngithi angisiza abazalwane lapho because abazalwane today ba-emotional basheshe ukuthatheka lezi zinto uma ku-attack umfundisi abamhloniphayo bacabanga ukuthi no, I don't respond to such talk. Ziningi ithuba mina. But I find out ngifike ema-airport la ngifike mina I hardly go to a mall ngabikho nqwaba abantu stand there and say we respect you, and you only to find bangithuka ku-Facebook. That's why I don't respect things zabantu abakhuluma la ku-Facebook, because bafica in person there's something else. People respect this ministry because for the first time they had somebody who has lived it. I've been not perfect. I've failed like anybody else. I'm not perfect. If you need perfection, happy matunin. You're told I'm perfect. They've been sleeping in one position for 50 years. But what I preached, I stood for. God bless you. So I'm not going to respond. I'm not responding to this guy, but I just want Abazalwane to know. It doesn't shake me. It's a lie. It's a lie.
Mfundisi uSikhakhane, we are out of order. Musukudelela abantu besifazane ngalolu hlobo. Uthi umfundisi uSikhakhane yena ngeke ehambe nomuntu wesifazane oyi-second hand. Mayikhuluma nge-second hand ukuthi umuntu wesifazane owalala nomunye umuntu wesilisa waphinde futhi wathola ingane. Kuwena mfundisi njengomuntu omfundisi ngithatha ngokuthi that's a negligent statement from you. Mfundisi. Anganoma ngizothi umfundisi kodwa ke ngoba uyibiza umfundisi kulungile. Mfundisi uSikhakhane, you are out of order. Angazi noma uSikhakhane uyazini ukuthi kunabantu besifazane ababa nezingane ngenxa ye-rape. Angazi noma uSikhakhane uyazini ukuthi kunabantu ababa nezingane ngenxa yokureshwa obaba baso. Obaba babo. Umuntu wesifazane kwale ngisho esekhala ethi baba uyangilimaza. Kodwa ubaba owumuntu wesilisa njengawe Sikhakhane eqhubeka emrape umuntu wesifazane kuze kuphume ingane. Angazi noma uyayi-understand le nto baba uSikhakhane ukuthi kunabantu abanezingane abareshwa omalume abareshwa emndenini okhazini kanjalo ubamncane wobhuti. Phinde futhi kube nomuntu owayeselotsoliwe kwenziwa yonke into wadlula umkhwenyana emhlabeni engazange umkhwenyana enze into wrong futhi wayizomshada, but ngeza sokuthi uNkulunkulu kwase kufika isikhathi edlule emhlabeni bese sisala
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyaphendula ke Pastor Sibu Sikhakhane ngemva kwevideo yakhe le bantu bayigcekile bendi video ngayo, and this guy was saying ukuthi akabahloniphi abantu besifazane kungana ngakhuluma ngale ndlela. So Pastor Sibu Sikhakhane was invited ko podcast la fika wakhuluma khona ngokuthi ma uyintombazane ukuze ushade kufuna ube litshitshi futhi akufuni nje ube nemntwana, because if umuntu oshada umuntu asekane emntwana kusho ukuthi so uthatha second hand ne. So this guy was angry, asho ukuthi kungana khuluma njalo ngebantu besifazane kumele aqolise. And Sibu is now saying ukuthi kuyo yonke lento lengikhulumile lapha lengaka into lethi ihleli ikhuluma ngebantu besifazane, wena waphika le ubona khona yona ukuthi tokulethela i-content utokhona kwenda ngayo i-content utokhona kwenda abantu bangibone njengomuntu lomubi. Konke le ngikukhulumile wena wakushaya indiva, wakhetha nje lo lokuyi-1 lokubona ngazuthi wena ukubona ngazuthi akukho right. Kungani wakayithatha ngayonke le episode ngoba tiningi phela into letinhle lento ekhulumile ngebantu besifazane. Ngikhuluma ngikubaleleka komshado, ngakhuluma ngokuhlonipha umshado wakho, ngakhuluma ngokuhlonipha umfato wakho. Kungani wena ukhethe just this part leto ngiqatha nebantu Matima. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.